How do Amish respond to wars like in Israel, or are they generally unaware? When I was growing up Amish, we were very well aware of what was going on around the world. We were actually allowed to have worldly newspapers, so we saw a lot of stories in there, what's going on with America and around the world. Plus, we always did business with the outside people in the non-Amish world. We buy, sell, trade. We always did business. That's how the Amish survive. They do business with outside non-Amish people. Those people talk. They tell us a lot of things, like when 9/11 unfolded, they told us those things. We had no television. We had no radio. We did not find out any other way except for our English friends. Our milkman that came and got the milk was an outside English worldly person that would pick it up and take it to the worldly milk station. Well, we called them English people, the English milk station. And they would make cheese. So we did a lot of business with outsiders, and they always talked.